Wow, continue learning till we die. Go! Saan man yun? Extra na rin?
Yes, sir.
Ah, very nice one.
Pakita, sir.
Wow, yan. Isa pa.
Uy, morning! Okay, mag-picture ka na.
Softly, softly. Isa lang kong drawing ali.
Secret.
I will leave you softly. For my heart would break if you should wait and see me go. So I leave you softly, long before you miss me, long before your arms can make me stay for one more, day.
Hi, everyone.
After all the years,
Round of applause for Sir Sandro Luzon.
I can bear the tears to fall.
Big Joe. Hey, Big Joe.
So softly as I leave you there.
Ayan, nakita-kita lang gyapon ta pohon mga idala. Sir, kauban ka na mo. Hindi na mo makalitan. Ang imo mga gitulo din sa mga pasalamatan sa naman sa Sir Lea Avila sa pag-time kanini. Pag-remember sa mga happy moments nila ni Sir Dante Luzon.
Yan. Ora na, sir. Magpabili ka.
Good luck, sir. Good luck. Thank you for everything. Ayan,
Hi, people.
Thank you, sir, for being a father to me here.
At pasalamatan sa nato ang banda nato na nakauban ko yan. Siyempre sa Banax as time sponsor sa mga Buntag, Mindanao.
Mamahaw na taoy.
Sir, sa mga plano nimo, sir?
I will concentrate on my singing career. Mag-full time na
Ayan,
kung
we
6 o'clock.
will truly miss you.
thank you, sir.
On behalf of sa staff and sa people crew sa may Buntag, Mindanao. We thank you very
Alitsa,
much.
Alitsa.
Ayan,
Yan,
yes.
magaling, sir.
Ingat kay sir.
I've got you. Wala. Under my skin. I've got you deep in the heart of me. So deep in my heart, you're really a part of me. And I've got you under my skin.
Ante Julian!